Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You log in with your issued credentials and immediately confirm your account permissions so you can see chart libraries. Once logged in, navigate to the catalog home and select your region. This narrows thousands of entries to relevant series. Make sure to set download preferences and folder paths now so the system stores charts where your navigation software expects them. If you skip this, later transfers become messy, so handle account verification and browser settings first before searching. You refine the catalog using filters, chart type, scale, edition, and update status, so results are precise and current. Once results appear, open each chart's metadata to verify publication date and applicable notices to mariners. This prevents using obsolete data. After vetting, add selected ENCs or raster charts to your basket and confirm file formats match your navigation systems. Then choose a secure download or distribution package. This ensures you get both chart files and the necessary update files together. You download charts using the catalog's integrity checks, so file corruption is flagged immediately. Once downloaded, transfer files to your ECDIS or chart software following the prescribed import sequence. Licenses, base charts, then update files, because order matters for validation. After installation, verify layers, scale alignment, and that update flags clear. Then run a quick route check to confirm continuity. If charts fail to load, check license mismatch first and rerun the catalog's repair or re-download the package to resolve issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.